Hey everyone, it's Kenny Bosick, and today we'll be demonstrating how to set up the Lexus app on your phone as well as setting up your user profile. So what we'll need is of course your smartphone, and we want to make sure you have the Lexus app on your phone. Once you have that on your phone, we'll go ahead and get started by setting up through the vehicle screen. We'll go ahead and select English, and now it's going to ask to enter your phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter mine, and we'll go ahead and get this set up. This is going to send a code to my phone. All right. So what we're going to do is, since we already have the app downloaded, what we'll do now is we'll actually scan the VIN or the QR code that's on the screen. So we'll go ahead and allow access from our phone. And then we'll go ahead and scan that QR code. All right, it looks like it wants me to verify my account, so I'll go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so now the vehicle is being linked over to the phone, so we'll give this a few seconds. All right, so now we'll get this prompt on our vehicle screen. But now on our phone, what we can do is go ahead and save the changes, so this will add the vehicle into our account. All right, so now the user profile has been linked, and we'll go ahead and create an account PIN, so I'll go ahead and do that real quick. All right, now these are all the connected services that I do get on this vehicle. So we'll go ahead and go over these briefly. So Safety Connect is basically your roadside assistance package that you do get on the vehicle. If you do need a call for help, you just call through the vehicle's SOS button. That way they can send someone directly to your vehicle's location at no charge. And of course, that service is free for the first 3 years. We also get our Drive Connect. That's part of the vehicle's navigation system. Since we do get the upgraded 14-inch display screen on the vehicle, we do have the trial for the navigation system. So that is good for 3 years as well. We also get the Remote Connect with digital key. And of course, you can pretty much lock or unlock the vehicle by using the Lexus app. We also get a Wi-Fi trial that's good for 3 gigabytes or 30 days. So we'll go ahead and continue to enroll in these services. We'll go ahead and accept the terms and conditions. Awesome, so now we are enrolled in our vehicle. So this is my old vehicle, so we'll go ahead and switch over to the new one. And then we'll go back. So I'm able to remotely start the vehicle right away, as well as lock or unlock it. We also have advanced controls for the lights, hazards, horn, trunk lock buzzer, or trunk unlock switch. We can also adjust the climate as well through the app. We also have guest driver settings, our digital key, last park location. You can also save favorite destinations, a vehicle health report, service, warranty info, and roadside assistance. So this app is good for the first 3 years. So of course you'll get access to use all these features through the Lexus app. Always make sure that all the vehicle doors are locked if you do want to start the engine. Once you hold down the start switch, that will start your vehicle for up to 10 minutes. After that 10-minute interval, the vehicle will shut itself off automatically and you'll have to restart it again through the app. Now it's going to prompt me to ask if we want to set up our Bluetooth, so we'll go ahead and hit yes. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my phone, and we're going to go into our settings. So we'll select Lexus NX, we'll press pair, and then we'll confirm the code on the screen. All right, we'll go ahead and allow access from our phone into the vehicle system. And then now it's asking us if we want to connect our Apple CarPlay. So we'll go ahead and use CarPlay. It's also asking if we want to set this phone as the primary device. You are able to pair multiple phones in the vehicle and set primary devices. So we'll go ahead and press yes to have this as the primary device. It's also asking if we want to enable CarPlay. So once we hit yes, that will enable the CarPlay into the vehicle system. All right. So the car will automatically connect to CarPlay right away. Just make sure you press allow on your phone to allow access into the vehicle. And now we have access to our wireless Apple CarPlay in the vehicle system. So other than that, you're all set up for the Inform services on the vehicle. You no longer need to hit the SOS button to call for help. Unless you are in emergency assistance, you don't have to use it to set up the Inform anymore. You can do it just based on entering your phone number, scanning the QR code, and that's it. I will have other tutorials on going over other things like Apple CarPlay and of course using the whole Lexus interface as well. So stay tuned and we'll update you guys in the future on the latest videos on the 2022 NX. If you thought this video was helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for other videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.